Okay, in this video, we are going to be looking at supply. So the first thing is, what is the supply, or what is supply? So supply refers to the output of goods all service producers are willing and able to offer into the market. So we are going to be looking at the law of supply, which says the higher the price of a product, then the higher the supply of that same product. So if we draw the supply curve, it goes this way. Sorry, this is the demand curve. So if we draw the supply curve, it goes slopes upward. So the supply curve have a positive slope, all right, because it shows the positive relationship between price and the quantity supplied. So this is the supply curve. So we can identify any point on the graph or on, just identify coordinates on the graph, trace it to the price axis, the quantity axis, do the same for the second coordinates, and then we can just name this the price one and the price two, and then call this the quantity one or quantity two and the quantity one. So what you find here is that as the price of the product goes up, the quantity supplied goes up. And then the reverse is true. When the price of the product goes down, the quantity supplied goes down. So what you find with the supply curve is telling us that there's a positive relationship between supply and price. So it has a positive slope. So this is the slope, and the slope is positive because with the slope we're referring to the change in um, price, which is bringing about a change in quantity supplied. All right, so the slope here is positive. So the change in Q divided by change in P is what? Positive. So this is the supply curve. So the supply curve normally have a positive relationship. So if we are about to draw or put down the supply function, the supply function would look like this. QS is equal to, let's say, the function of P. If we break this further, QS will be equal to, we can take A plus B, A plus B P, okay, where QS is the quantity supplied as usual, okay. The A here, and B, or A, we can see A represents autonomous supply. I would say this for now is not really important because this for a higher level. And then the B here represent the slope, and then the P is the price. So the slope is positive, and you can see here it comes with a positive. All right, so that is the supply curve. So this is what we mean by the supply curve. The higher the supply, the higher the price. That's the meaning, or the opposite. The higher the price of the product, the higher the price. So think of this as you being the producer. So if you produce a particular product, you would naturally want to sell more when the price of that product is higher, because that way you tend to receive more money. So it's more like an incentive when a product has a higher price. So producers or suppliers want to offer more of that product into the market. Okay, so in the next video, we are going to see how we can have changes in supply. Okay, thank you. If you like this video or find it helpful, please you could help me hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. God bless.